Wow, was that cool or what? Let's see it again. That truly amazing new intro was gifted to me by German filmmaker Manuel Werbeneck. He's amazingly talented and has my thanks for this great gift. I'm not sure about the soundtrack though. I think something like this would be more appropriate for me. Where's that damn light switch? You stupid pain in the motherfucking. Ouch. What the Ooh, that's pretty. Try that's hot. But seriously, what a great job Manuel's done. I really admire him. And talking of admiration, this week's video comes from a great new friend of mine, Shane in Australia. Shane reached out to me and asked if I could have a go at casting something for his daughter. And it was through this that I learnt more about Shane. What a truly amazing guy. Frankly, I would have given up after enduring half of what Shane's been through. What a truly inspirational guy. What's more, not only is he modest, he's also a dab hand with Blender. This is the file Shane sent over to me. He wanted this casting into a keyring for his daughter, and I was happy to give it a go. If you're thinking you can see a little excess resin on these prints, I did film this before I got my Anycubic wash and cure. Not bad. I love the teeth. So there you go, guys. Shane's Orca. And it's now on its way to Australia for his daughter. I hope you enjoyed this one, guys. Take care, and thanks for watching.